When your AC stops working, just call the experts at KS Services Heating and Air. They're fast and affordable. Right now, purchase any Bryant energy efficient system and save with 0% interest for 60 months with approved credit. It comes included with a 5-year labor warranty. And our fair price guarantee means that we will always give you 3 quotes for every situation. A good, better, and best. Call KS Services Heating and Air today. We roll on, whatever it takes.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. It's the afternoon edition for Tuesday, the 12th of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather kind of cloudy and cool and drizzly today, but the weather warming up in coming days and turning brighter as we get closer to the weekend. Let's check it out. Once again, what's left of Irma continues to dominate the circulation here across the Deep South. We got an extensive cloud deck over the northern 2/3 of the state. Now, if you're in Mobile or Dothan or Andalusia or Monroeville, Evergreen, it's a beautiful day. Pensacola, Destin, Fort Walton Beach, gorgeous. But from about Montgomery north, US 80 north, it's cloudy. And again, a little bit of drizzle here. That was a radar at 248. That's nothing widespread, but some spots are getting enough rain to make you turn on the windshield wipers underneath that low cloud deck. And again today, it doesn't feel like September. We ought to be way up in the 80s this time of the year. Temperatures only in the low and mid-60s, only 62 in Birmingham at mid-afternoon. That's about 20 to 25 degrees below average. There's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have a marginal risk out around San Francisco. There's an upper storm coming in from the west. But other than that, things are pretty quiet. So let's check the tropics. The Gulf of Mexico, quiet as a mouse. We have Jose. There's a wave out in the eastern Atlantic. We're not going to worry about that one. That's going to be turning north. We'll kind of focus on Jose. This is a minimal hurricane. Top wind 75 miles an hour, moving east at 5. Here's the official track coming from the Hurricane Center. Does the loop out there well east of the Bahamas, then begins to turn north. Initially, it should weaken to a tropical storm, then it strengthens back into a hurricane. And here's a look at the tropical models, and most all of them, except a couple of outliers, move it north and then northeast, well off the east coast of the United States. This is the GFS ensemble, and again, you can see that all the members keep it well east of the United States, and the European ensemble. This is 51 members here, and again, most are offshore, so it looks pretty good at this point, but as always, you got to keep an eye on that just in case. We all know sometimes things can change. But let's take a look at the modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the big trough over the east. This is what's left of Irma. Down below that, again, the day will be mostly cloudy, and again, there might be a few showers about. And again, temperatures stay below average. We'll probably see highs, I'd say tomorrow, still maybe in the 60s. Until we get this upper low out of here, it's going to stay kind of cloudyish and cool and drizzly, but Thursday should be brighter and warmer. A good chance we see low 80s, the sky partly sunny, only a small chance of a shower, most areas dry. It's going to feel more like mid-September. And this is Friday, and again, I think for the northern half of the state, we're dry. Mid-80s, the GFS showing 86, maybe a few scattered showers down across the southern part of the state, nothing too widespread. And this is Saturday as the weekend begins. We note Jose is well east of the Bahamas. And again, it looks kind of like the dew points are coming up. It looks more like a summer day, kind of muggy, partly sunny, and maybe a few widely scattered showers, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. This is the European on Saturday. It's got deeper moisture in place, but there's not much of a trigger. An upper ridge is building in, so the odds of rain for any one given spot, relatively small. We're expecting mid, maybe upper 80s in spots. And pretty much the same deal on Sunday. The chance of a shower, small, partly sunny, highs mid to upper 80s. Go back to the GFS on Monday. We'll be in the upper ridge, so highs in the 80s, only a slight chance of a shower. Not Irma, but Jose is well east of the Outer Banks, and this is a week from today. Tuesday the 12th, big cold trough in the northwestern states. That's going to bring some snow out there, but ridging here. Looks like basically warm and dry, and look at the snow possibilities for states like parts of Montana and Idaho. Here's the end of the forecast period. This is Friday of next week, September 22nd. Ridging for the east, cold troughing in the west. Kind of a pattern flip. And again, snowy looking there for some of the northern Rockies. And for us, that looks basically warm and dry. Check the numbers. You can see the effect of the upper ridge building. After these cool days, we go back in the upper 80s by the weekend. The numbers tail off toward the low 80s out there late in the month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
AC broken? Just call KS Services Heating and Air. All Bryant energy-efficient systems come with a 5-year labor warranty, and our fair price guarantee means that we'll always give you 3 quotes for every situation. Just call KS Services Heating and Air today.